Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Debbie. This is my crafty den, and I have the second half of the Washi Shop tape unboxing from the order that I placed in January, and I am so excited about this. So excited. So if you didn't see the first half, I'll put a link in the description so you can go see those first 4 rolls. These are not your ordinary rolls of washi tape. They definitely are not. These are so stinking cute that it's absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So I'm just taking them. I took them out of the cardboard box, but I'm just getting them all out. So once again, I got a freebie. I got this in the last order as well. I wonder if this is the same. It probably is. So it's a pen. And yes, it's exactly the same. So this is not a leather. It's some type of a faux leather. It doesn't smell anything like leather. It's got a plasticky smell to it. So some type of a vegan leather. And this was, when you unscrewed this end and took it off, this end was a pencil. Very nice. So for journaling, sketching, making notes, anything like that. And the other end of this was a pen. Now, this pen has a waxy coating. It's been dipped in wax on the end. So I tried to write with it in the last video. If you go back and watch that, you'll see the pen writes really nice if you take the wax off first. So yeah, go back and watch the first video. So that was my freebie. Very nice for a freebie, to tell you the truth. I wasn't expecting that. It might have said when I ordered, but I wasn't expecting that. So I don't even know where to start here. This is what I got. So I think I'll start with this one. And I ordered it because I love rabbits. I have rabbits. I've had rabbits for years. And this is in the Chinese calendar. This is the year of the rabbit. And that's what this washi tape is called. So, and it's very cute. Very cute. You can cut the individual pieces out or use as is. And run this as, I got all mine in a wide washi, figuring that I can cut out what I want to use and leave the rest. You can also get this in a like clear stickers. So it's stickers on a clear roll, which is really nice. It's called pet tape or PET tape or PE tape. I'm not sure exactly, but it's some kind of a tape that's a clear vinyl. And this is what this looks like. So the year of the rabbit. So it's got all of these really cute little Chinese New Year symbols. And I just thought bits of this would be really cute and fun. I love the little rabbits that are in here. This little one, the little cat, the kids playing, like the heart could be for Valentine's Day. There's all kinds of ways that you could incorporate this into your planner or your spreads. I mean, like this couple doesn't necessarily have to be New Year's. It says 2023, happy year of the rabbit, and it doesn't repeat for a really long time. I'm looking for that little bunny and fish that we started off with. So there it is. So there is at least 3 feet of this tape before you get to this sticker or this piece of washi right here that is actually the first symbol that was on this. So all of this, every piece is original. and you have so much to use before you start to repeat yourself. So all kinds. I love like the music and the playing. And this could be happy birthday, enjoy your birthday. Like the whole, all kinds of celebrations are covered in this. And I just think this is adorable. But that was the only one that I ordered that was a little bit different. So this floral right here, let's check out this floral. It is so beautiful, and it's called Lovely Garden, and it's just a wide washi. So let's open this up. Take this off of here. This tape doesn't come off very good, and it tends to be really sticky. So I'll probably have to cut that first little bit off because it's got residue on it. But look at how pretty this is. Look how, like this, guys, this is beautiful. And it's just the type of stuff that I love in my planner and in my journals. This is so me, this whole floral. Now, I'm a happy planner girl, or I'm kind of getting away from being a happy planner girl, I guess. I'm not going to be able to say that much longer because in the last few years, happy planner has changed a lot, for one thing. And when I buy a book of floral stickers, I want floral stickers. I don't want half of them to be sayings that I might not use, or don't get me wrong, I love the sayings, but you guys know what I mean. If you're buying a book of florals, you want florals. So is that where it starts? This is where it starts, way back here. So again, like there's this. I'm just going to go through really, really quick. There's this much. And I can't, I mean, it's longer than a yard. It's longer than a yard. So gorgeous. And this has, I thought I saw some foiling on here. It doesn't have foiling, but it has, I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't have foiling, but it does have parts of it that are shiny and parts of it that are matte, if that makes sense. Just to give it a little bit of definition, I guess. Parts of it look like it's embossed. That's the word I'm looking for. So this is just, it's beyond beautiful. Just beyond beautiful. Okay, so, but I think I'm just going to love this one as well. This one has the butterfly on it, and I think this one is lilacs. Lilac is like one of my favorite flowers, and yes, I'm pretty sure this one is just called lilac wide washi, maybe. So we'll start from the beginning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This one might be my favorite. I mean, I love lilacs. Just love them. Lilac bloom. That says, wouldn't that look gorgeous? Wouldn't that just, I may do a planner spread with just lilacs. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's look through. Let's start at this lilac bloom and just go through these really slowly. Look at that single bloom with the butterfly. And then this one. Oh, that looks like a little bit of a peony bud stuck in that bouquet. Oh, these are gorgeous. A little bit of carnation stuck in here. And then lilac bloom. So it goes, so this one's about 24 inches, maybe 30 inches between the Lilac Bloom and Lilac Bloom again. This is beautiful. You're going to see lilacs in a lot more of my planner spreads. I mean, I won't be able to help myself. I won't be able to help myself. But yes, so my thoughts on ordering from the Washi Tape Shop and living in Canada was, when I order from something in the States, I have to pay an American exchange on it. And these are about around $9 a roll, but there's hundreds of stickers in here. And I think there end up being more stickers, more bits that I can use in my planner than there are stickers in a sticker book from the Happy Planner. And when I'm done with the sticker book, there's always all kinds of stickers left in it because I don't use them all. They don't all pertain to me. Like, I'll use all these florals. And what I don't use in little bits in my planners, I will definitely be using in my journal. So, yes, I get to use it all. I'm going to get to use all these stickers. So my thoughts are, money-wise, that this is a more economical buy for me. So this one here, as you can see, has this little country girl riding a bicycle with a basket full of flowers. This one is called Someday, and it's just the wide washi. I mean, I just show you this and it would be enough, but oh my gosh. The quality of the artwork is amazing on here. So there's that little, she looks like she's going to be up to no good. So I'm just going to put these down like here on the white background so you can really see them. You are made of stardust and wishes and magical things. You are exactly where you need to be. Blah. Cheers. These have the same baby bloom. These have the same types of sayings that are in a Happy Planner, but I can see me using these maybe. It says, bake someone happy. Bake someone happy. And there's a pretzel, chocolate covered pretzel. No drama, please. Start now. Girl boss. I love this little clipboard. So cute. Get it, girl, on the camera. You are stronger than you think. The Badass Babes Club. Look at the little, you can't see it much because it's white on white, but it's a little hard-boiled egg cut in half, and the yolks have smiley faces on them. Come on, get happy. The little star. Yes day. Sing and dance, and there's a rain cloud and the little girl with the umbrella. Yes day. Love is in the air. Cute for Valentine's Day. There's some magic. These are adorable. I haven't come across that little one that's sitting on the workbench or sitting on the bench yet. Good vibes, only good vibes and no bad vibes. No bad vibes on the toilet paper roll. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Choose love, another umbrella girl. Looking pretty sharp, says this little bird down here. I love the little girl walking with the umbrella. There's the little girl on the bench where we started. So that's an awful lot. That's an awful lot of stickers. And that's just a tiny little bit of these stickers. How many times does that repeat on this roll where you can get them over and over again? So you have multiples. If you absolutely love one of these girls, you can use her more than once. But I love that I can put 2 or 3 of these into a spread, and you're not going to get the same girl being used over and over on the same page. I love that about these stickers. Ugh. There. And this is just called Someday. So that was the end of my haul. If you didn't see the first part, I took them, and I've got this little notebook. It's just a notebook from the dollar store, and it has white pages, no lines or anything. So I just put the Washi Shop, and then I'm numbering them and just putting them in here. So I've got the first one I got was the Dusty Blue and Cinnamon wide, the Frosty Rose wide, the Forest Houses wide, and then the Carefree wide washi that goes on the vertical instead of the horizontal. With this, all these different girls were in it. There were 10 different girls with matching florals and like in cute little poses. And so yes, so go back and watch the first part of this video to see those. And I am going to, will that fit there across the bottom? No. I'm going to put these and swatch them in here as well. And then I can keep this close to me when I go to do a planner spread or a journal page. And I can look for whatever washi I feel like using that day. So this is going to help me build up my washi collection again, only using really, really great washi tapes. And I think, I mean, yes, these were pricey, but I think these are going to last me for a long time. Plus, I'm going to use them all. There's so much of the sticker books, when I buy sticker books, that I don't use. And it makes me sad because that's a lot of money spent. So, yeah, I kind of think this is the better buy. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know out of both the videos which one of these washi tapes was your favorite. And if you're a fan of Washi Shop tapes and you use them all the time, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that now before you leave so that you can come back and we can become great friends. And I will see everyone in the next video. Until then, bye-bye for now, everyone.